watch this video till the end, I'm going to share with you how you can access this my course 100% all for free. So few days back I made this video explaining to you 3 apps that pays you real money without investing anything aside from your mobile phone and internet connection. And in between that video I mentioned UGC content creation, and I asked that if you are interested, let me know. And wow, I received a lot of comments. A lot of you guys pick interest on UGC content creation, and then initially I intended that I'm going to make an awareness video explaining to you how it's happened, what to do, where to go, and how to get clients and all that. But then this month is my birthday month, 17 to be precise, and I love receiving gifts and I equally love giving. And I said, wow, instead of just making a video explaining to you what UGC is all about and upselling to you my course that I've created a few months ago on the UGC content creation, why not give it for free? And I decided that I'm going to give you all for free, like 100% for free. You access the course and learn about UGC, from what is UGC content creation all about. That normally UGC stands for user generated content, and how to learn brand deals, how to reach out to brands, how to negotiate with brands, how to create a portfolio, what type of email should you send, where can you find them, and much more. Oh yes, I know some people paid for this course before now, but yes, I am giving you all for free because it's my month of celebration. So all you need to do is, number 1, give this video a like. Thank you so much for doing that. Number 2, if you have not subscribed to my channel, please do so. I am few subscribers away from hitting 20,000. So yes, it's going to be great if I hit that milestone before my birthday. Then the third thing is, drop a beautiful comment. I don't mind happy birthday in advance, in arrears. I don't know when you are watching, but I'm going to leave this video open even few days after my birthday, then I'll close it. So you need to like hop into it as soon as possible. So then I'm going to drop a link in the description of this video, and I'm also going to drop a link in the comment section of the video. And again, if you cannot access any of the link, ask in the comment section that, ma, please, I need the link to join the training. So the link is going to take you to where you can put your email. When you put your email, an automatic welcome message will be sent to your email, where you will click to join the Telegram. I'm taking the class on Telegram. So if you come to the Telegram, on the pin message there's a welcome message, and I will drop an introductory video. So if you are joining it later, don't worry, once you go there, join and just introduce yourself. You can tell us about yourself. It's not it's not most, but it's going to do well. So you tell us about yourself, and then you click the pin message. You see the welcome video. If we have passed day 2 or day 3, or we have done all, even, you are going to see it in the pin message, where you are going to learn about the UGC, what it's all about, and everything that there is to know about UGC content creation, how to make money on the internet creating content, either on TikTok, on YouTube, on Instagram, and much more. And the one amazing thing about this UGC is that there are people that have been creating content, UGC content, without even showing their face. That and much more is what is going to be in that course. So hope to see you in the training, and at the same time in my next video. Hope you have subscribed. Bye.